In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule a meeting on Calendly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Calendly is an incredibly handy tool for scheduling meetings effortlessly, but sometimes you need to make adjustments. Life happens, and those meetings can get shuffled around, so let's walk through how to reschedule a meeting step by step. First, go ahead and open your Calendly account. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a clean layout that gives you access to various features. Now look to the left side of the screen. There you will find the meeting section. This is where all your scheduled meetings are organized. Now take a look at your upcoming meetings. You should see a list that displays the dates and times for each. If you're seeing something that you need to change, click on that meeting to open up its details. This will take you to a more comprehensive view of that specific meeting. Here, you should be able to find a bunch of information regarding the meeting, including the attendees, agenda, and the current date and time. But what we're interested in right now is the option to reschedule. Look carefully, as you'll want to locate the Reschedule button. It should be quite visible, but if you're having trouble, it might be worth scrolling down a bit. Once you've found the Reschedule option, click on it. Now comes the fun part. You'll be presented with new time slots. Calendly makes this super easy by showing you all the available options based on your schedule and that of your attendees. Go ahead and select the new time slot that works best for you. You might want to take a moment to consider everyone involved, ensuring that the new time accommodates not just your needs, but theirs as well. Once you've selected your preferred time, you'll notice an Update or Save button. Click on that to finalize your changes. And just like that, you've officially rescheduled your meeting. It's worth mentioning that once you do this, Calendly will automatically notify the other participants of the new time. They'll receive an email letting them know about the change, which is super convenient. Keep in mind, though, that if the other attendees had already confirmed their attendance, it's always a good practice to give them a heads up about the change, just in case they missed the email. And there you have it. Rescheduling a meeting on Calendly is streamlined and straightforward. You've taken control of your busy calendar, making adjustments with just a few clicks. If you ever find yourself needing to do this again, or you're looking for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your scheduling experience, feel free to revisit this video. So that wraps up our little tutorial. If you found this information helpful, I encourage you to leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future topics. And remember to subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.